Hello everybody, welcome back to our Visual Bukkit series where we're creating Minecraft plugins. And in this one we are creating our chunk claims plugin. And in the last one, in episode 9, we left off, I believe we finished the... Which one was it? Which command did we finish? We finished the exile command. So now we are going to work on our abandon command. So let's do an else if statement right at the very bottom. Do a number comparison. Insert a method here. And this will be list java.util.list size and size of the command arguments. So this is saying how many command arguments did the command sender use. And if they only used one argument, then we'll do some more code. So if statement is equal, and we will say if command argument 0 is equal to string abandon, then we do some more stuff. So we'll set a local variable here, and we'll call it player claim path. And this will be string concatenation, insert string, players dot. Then we'll insert a method here. And we'll do uuid toString. Insert method here of player. And this will be get unique ID of the command sender. So command sender. And then we'll add one more string at the very bottom. And that will be .claim. Then we move on to our next step, which is an if statement. So do if and negated, then say is equal. So we're saying if object 1 is not equal to object 2, then we do some more stuff. So insert a method here, configuration, org.bukkit.configuration, get string, just like that. And then we'll insert a method to get our config. So Java plugin, get config from this plugin. And the path will be our player claim path. So player claim path. And the object will just be an empty string. So we're saying if it's not equal to an empty string, then we set a local variable for the player claim, insert method, configuration, get string, then we'll copy this, paste it in here, and we'll do string player claim path. Oh no, sorry, variable. Insert variable player claim path. Then we'll do another local variable. Oh, put it under the first one. And then we'll call it claims section. And we'll do a method in here. Configuration. Get configuration section. Paste our method for getting the config. And we'll insert a string, which will be claims. And next, we are going to do claim from section. which is going to be a claim found in the claim section. So claim from section and configuration. Oh, whoops. Insert a method first. Then do configuration section and do get configuration section. Then insert our variable for the claim section. Claim section, and the path will be our variable to the player claim. Then we'll do an if statement right here, and we'll say is equal. We'll insert a method of configuration section, and it'll be get string right there, and then we will insert a variable for the claim from section. The path will be a new string of owner, and the method for object 2 will be player, and then get name. Oh, yeah, there we go. Get name from command sender. So we're saying if the owner is equal to the player's name of the command sender, then we continue. So set local variable, and we'll get our claimed chunk keys. So we'll do a method in here, configuration section, get keys from our variable claim from section, and then a boolean of false. Sorry, not true, false. Then we're going to do a list loop, put it under here. We are going to loop over the claimed chunk keys, and we will set a local variable in the loop, call it add to available claims, and then we'll do some math, and we will do a method in here, and we will do configuration section, get int from string, and we'll do a variable here. Actually, not a variable. We're going to do a method here. So insert method, configuration, get configuration section, paste our method for getting the config. Then we'll do string concatenation, insert string, players dot, insert variable, because I think we have the command sender's UUID, right? No, we don't. Not yet. Okay, so instead of a variable, delete that, insert a method, UUID, UUID to string, and then insert a method, player, like that, and then get unique ID from command sender. Then our last string, or path here for this string, will be claimed chunks. Then we will just write -1, because if the player abandons a claim that has claim chunks in it, then we want to re-give the available claims back to the player so they can claim again if they create a new claim. So we'll do method under here, configuration section, set string object, insert a variable here. No, not a variable, sorry. We're gonna copy this right here, I think. Yep, let's copy that, paste it in here, and then our path will also again be claimed chunks, and the value will be a variable add to available chunks, or add to available claims. Just like that. And then we are going to want to save the config. So do method, Java plugin, save config, this plugin. Then we'll put an if statement under this light blue here. So if statement, and we'll say is equal. And then we will do a method here of configuration. And that'll be get string like this. And we'll insert a method here for Java plugin, get config, this plugin. Then do a string concatenation here. Insert string players dot. And then insert method UUID to string insert method player get unique ID from the command sender, then add one more string and set it as dot current claim. Then this object here will be our variable for player claim. So we're checking if the current claim that the player is physically in is the player's claim. Then we do some more stuff. So let's do a method in there and do configuration, type set string object. You can copy your method for getting the config. And then we'll do string concatenation, insert string claims dot, and then insert a variable player claim. And then we're setting it to null. So it does not exist. And then we are gonna copy this, do paste after, and we are going to delete this, set to a variable, player claim path, and we are going to just set it to an empty string, just like that. Then we'll do method, Java plugin, save config, this plugin, and we're going to send a message to the command sender. So command sender right there, send message, and the command sender is command sender. And then insert a method for our chat color. translate alternate color codes, insert a string, and do string concatenation, insert string, and a successfully abandoned claim and E for yellow. And then we will do insert variable here, player claim. And then we're going to put an else statement, which is going to be right down below this dark blue. So we'll do else, put it right down there. And then we are going to, actually something's wrong here that I'm seeing. What is it? Oh, sorry. The only thing that we want in this if statement, is that what's going on here? Yeah, I think so. Is that we are setting, yeah, one sec, let me check this out. So player claim dot current claim method. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to put this one, I think we're gonna put it above here. No, let's just do another method, put it in here. Do configuration org.bukkit.configuration set string object, copy this, paste it in there, do string concatenation, insert string players dot, insert method uuid to string, insert method player get unique ID from our command sender, and then we'll insert another string, insert string dot current claim, and we're setting it to a blank string. I thought we already did that, did we not? I don't know, but either way, that's what you want to do there. And below this, so when we get to this, where it says null at the bottom, you just want to cut stack on the method there. And you'll want to paste it after this light blue here. Just like that. And then that's looking right. Yeah. Yes, there we go. That is better. Now, now we go into this else statement, which will basically be our last command, which is the leave command. So if a member wants to leave the claim, then they can, but not an owner. An owner cannot leave the claim, they can only abandon it. So for now, that'll be the end of episode 10, and I will get back to you guys very shortly here with episode 11, where we should be finishing off the entire plugin. thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this so far. And if you've got any questions, as per usual, leave them in the comment section. Yeah, I hope you guys are learning lots, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.